Whew. Windy. So only one camera?
If you go around to the front of there,
yeah.
in the corner, there's a camera there.
Oh, that's a pretty big place for one camera. I'm recording right now. Oh, I didn't know this thing went down like interesting. So the people definitely come out here. Just to show the area a bit. Didn't come down this far last time. Really interesting. Person I'm with noticed this thing out here. Some sort of blue tarp. It's pretty big. Not too far off the road, Ann Kolb. It's thick to get through though. Are you better go through there or should we go around? Okay. Wow. Holy shit. Very interesting. I don't know if somebody lives out here. There's a cooler there too. Could be somebody living out here. Hello? Hello? Just wanted to document this. Came across this interesting find with the person I was with. I've been in this area the other day and I didn't see none of this, so I came with an extra pair of eyes. He also found a weapon inside, machete. Not too far off the road, towards the end, well, towards the entrance of Ann Kolb Nature Center. It's a whole encampment here, and so there could have very well been people out here. Well, not very well, it's obvious somebody lives out here. So we're gonna go further. Could be more encampments, or we just, who knows what we could find. This is the first one I've seen out here like this. Never even knew this existed out here. All right. So I guess we looked thoroughly, right? I mean, shit. What's the point in peeing in containers, though? Okay, I'm gonna come. Somebody's encampment. They got a fishing rod. They got electricity somehow out here, it looks like. Umbrella. I don't want to disturb or disrespect the area. But it's definitely interesting. Anybody here? Somebody definitely lives out here. Ann Kolb Nature Center. Containers of urine. Hello? Let's see. It's empty.
Some of the stuff, they got electricity out here and everything.
Electricity too?
Yeah.
Shit.
Super not.
I would have never thought somebody would be out here.
Why the fuck are you living out here?
I'm telling you, towards A1A, there's a place with woods like this, but a bunch of encampments I ran into. I did not expect it out here though. I'm gonna take a quick look. Just kind of curious over here.
You may want to get that on video, no?
Yeah, I recorded it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the other camera too. But that's a really good find, man. I would have never found that had I been by myself. I bet you it's really soft there, crabs.
First, he runs into some guy that's living out here.
Yeah. Who knows about the other side?
There's beer cans everywhere. There are lighter and cigarettes in there. Let me open that cooler.
Yeah, open it. Take a look though. Yeah, another encampment here. Person I'm with. So this is just really interesting because I've never known there to be encampments out here in the Ann Kolb Center towards the outer edge. So it's probably important to document these. If I could work my way through here. Slowly. Beer. This one looks like might not be so active. Yeah. The other one looks a lot more active. Yeah, should probably check. Sweater, shirt, towel. Looks like this stuff has been here for a while, but let me check over here. All right. I'm holding too many things today. Tarp. Nothing, just tarp. All right, let me catch up. Actually lost the person I was with, kinda. Let's see if I can work my way in here. It is very thick in here. Oh, fuck. I completely lost them. That's how thick it is over here. Oh, we're back out to the road. Holy crap. Alright. Just wanted to capture the entrance. Because some people seem to think, you know, well, because you guys don't know, the people that don't live here, that you can't get here at night or after hours. Which, by the way, I know somebody that was on the other side last night, Westlake Park, after hours. The gates were open. But anyway, with the assumption that these gates close, all you have to do is just walk around. Hop the little concrete thing here. I'm very winded. Let me tell you something. It makes a whole difference not coming out by yourself. I'm used to being by myself. Having this extra pair of eyes. I was here the other day, as you guys remember. The same area I was with this person. I was here by myself, and being with him here today, we found the whole homeless encampment. But yeah, at any point, you can walk in or leave, anybody, past the gates. It's nothing, you know? So, but I just wanted to document at least the homeless encampments. Still haven't done the Westlake Park side fully. Hopefully we have time today. It's very, very energy and time consuming and tiring and exhausting and maybe even a little dangerous.
Gum? Does she have gum on her?
I don't know. Possible. The first, well, I don't know what I'm saying, I'm so tired. Noemi was reportedly wearing a white mask that day. There's a white mask here by the entrance. Could be anybody's, but I feel like I should, I don't want to take it with me, but put something on it to hold it in place. This is a bunch of trash out here. It could be anybody's. But, just noting by the entrance. Okay. Interesting. Right here on the map. going the opposite way of last time. The goal today is to get all the way down if we can. Just wanted to show you what this area looks like. It doesn't make much sense for somebody to come down here unless it's against their will or something, because it's just so desolate. So bring it around here to the road. The mask. Can't see him. That's weird. That guy's weird. Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh shit. Yeah. There's a guy walking over there. We saw him on the other side by the gate. He had a pitchfork. It looks like he works there. But he parked on the other side now. Oh, that's so weird. Yeah, that's him. That's him. Oh, fuck. So there was this guy, the person I'm with noticed while we were coming on the other side, there's like this gate, there's this guy in a truck. I think maybe he works here, he's a ranger, and he had like a pitchfork. I didn't even notice the pitchfork. Guy had a pitchfork, he was looking weird. He came up to the gate and he was just standing behind the gate, like staring with the pitchfork on his back. Yeah, it was so creepy. And so we're walking down this path and this truck pulls up on the other side. The side that I was at the other time, where police were at too. This truck literally just pulls up there and he just gets out and he's like pacing back and forth. And just like, look, I don't know if he's searching or what, but it was just awkward. It was weird. Someone wasn't right about it. So I just wanted to get that on document. We do have 2 other people out here, which I'm kind of surprised. People just casually come out here this far just to walk. I guess it's a good exercise path, but with all these rocks too, it just creates all this resistance for exercising, which I guess could be good. That's it. So the people we encountered over here was an elderly couple, and they actually asked kind of like, were they going the right way? You can easily get confused and maybe lost out here. I mean, the paths are pretty straightforward, but you can kind of go in a circle. But I asked them too if they've ever gone all the way down, because I'm assuming most people don't go all the way down, and they said they didn't. They just went up to the gazebo straight ahead and they kind of turned around and they came from the other side. So we're just really focused to try to get down to the end, even though a lot of the stuff with the story doesn't make sense. The pings, the timeline, all this stuff is kind of weird. So just made it to the gazebo that the couple was talking about, elderly couple. It's not really high, you can't see much. It's the Hollywood Water Tower. Ann Kolb is north. It's just a lot of land, a lot of marsh, a lot of nothing. Jesus. It's kind of a wide angle, private eye. Wanted to look down here. Right, investigator. Very slippery too. You could easily come to one of these bridges and just slip to the side of the bridge. Here to edit smaller clips. It really depends. Like today's clips, I could just really just throw them together. Or really have to edit it much. Yeah. We just came across another gate. Another cross path. This would lead back towards the area. I'm gonna double check the GPS real quick. Okay, so we made good progress though. Shit, where are we at? This is where we're at. So you don't wanna, did you wanna cross over to this path and go down the smaller way, or did you wanna finish and go all the way down here and backtrack? And then we'll, yeah, okay.
If we feel like it.
Yeah. All right. So we made it to the end. Let me show you on the map where it's at. I can get it without the sun. I'll just have to show you on the video. But we're at the end, and there's two little dirt paths that aren't shown on the map that still continue to go down. I don't know how far down. So we're gonna go down and see where it takes us. I'll record you guys on video. I've been just taking smaller clips, quick clips, just to be focused and get through. Because if not, it'll take forever. And it's very exhausting out here. So we'll see where these paths take us. Okay. So this is the first path towards the left. Just kind of wanted to take you guys through this trail. Whether it leads us somewhere or not. Oh, it does. Certainly does. There's some music playing in the background too. No idea where that's coming from. I don't know if it's that creepy guy that was in a truck. Wow, there's two paths, man. Left or right? Or which way you want to go first? Left? And this stuff is not on the map. There's a lot of little some trash here. Looks like some sandals, blue sandals. The thing is too, because we're by the shore, I've seen a lot of other areas, a lot of trash just washes up. So you can never know if it's people out here or... Thanks. Right by the water. Thought you heard something? Thought I heard something. Stuff moving on the ground, unless I did that, or crabs or something. How far does this go? Another sandal. During high tide, this stuff can totally just wash up, you know, people's trash. This is a little weird and winding. Thanks, man. You gotta constantly duck here too. Another shoe. Oh, that's the other side. I think that's Holland Park. I think that's how far down we've gone. There's an observation tower over there too somewhere. Never been there. This is crazy, dude. You just don't know how crazy this is. Oh, it's very slippery. Careful. Almost went down. It's crazy. We're just right on the other side of this. think it ends right here. Jesus. I gotta do something about that bat. I think we can walk around. Yeah. Dude, I cannot believe that this just keeps going. Oops, sorry. Would make no sense for anybody to be here. Jesus. Phone could ping from the other side too. So let me maybe go this way. Yeah, to me, it just doesn't make too much sense for somebody to be, especially Noemi, all the way down here. That doesn't make sense. At least we can say we walked and trailed all the way down here, though. Wow. Oh shit. Spider webs. Spider right there. Small little trail thing that veers off to the left. And here we're back to, I guess, society. There's a bridge over here. People kayaking. It's very exhausting, especially once you start getting in the brush. It just feels so much more thick and dense. And when I say thick and dense, I mean breathing. It just feels thicker, humid. Yeah, I think this is the Holland Park side. We literally crossed from Ann Kolb all the way through Westlake Park to being literally right across from guess we'll have to backtrack. Let's get the... Okay. So, we're coming up through a off-trail path, off-map path. We didn't get to check the other side, like the other side, because it would just take a lot on foot. But we wanted to trail this area that was towards the Pings, Taft Street. So we're doing some kind of crazy and we're just taking this path really through the middle of vegetation, kind of the woods, marsh, whatever the hell this is. Water's right there. A lot of rocks on the ground, rough terrain, changing elevations, thick breathing, thick air, humid. I mean, this is just insanity, kind of. I don't think I do this, but I think you were right when you said I don't think I do this on my own either, man. Like this thick. Fuck, anything could happen to you out here. Nobody would know. Nobody would find you unless they specifically knew.
In the dark.
like pinpoint you. But even with a ping, no way somebody's finding you out here. I mean, just look. It's just, we're just surrounded. You could easily get lost too. I have the GPS on my map, which is pretty accurate, and I have a really good idea of my grounding, I think. Looks like we have to, which way do we go? There's a path down here. I don't know if we can push through there. No?
Yeah.
Trying to clear the way for want to keep moving towards the right. Some sort of fruit or something. What do you think that is? I don't know what that is. I feel like this way might be a little clearer. Yeah, this is a good path. At least there's not huge spiders. Some of the areas I was looking at towards Ocean Drive for Layla, just searching that way, yeah. Huge spiders in the other area. Huge. You don't want to get that on you. Luckily over here I haven't seen any. But these holes in the ground, those are usually spiders or tarantulas or something that dig in the ground like that. You're gonna have to step over this. Oh, web. Alright, let's go through. It's a little bit clearer. In a minute, I'm gonna stop and look where we're at on GPS. Something out there. Heard something. Yeah, something's out there. There's a lighter out here. All the way out here, there's a lighter. That's crazy. Huge tree. Get under. I'm gonna pull up my GPS. See where we're at. Oh shit. You're not gonna believe this. We're actually going back towards the trail. We're not going up, we're going sideways. So we can just keep going this way, and I guess we're gonna have to just take the trail back because to go through what we don't know. Here's something creepy for you guys. We thought we were going straight up north, like north. We thought we were going up this. There's something up here. I just heard something. Something's up here. Somebody, an animal or somebody's up here. Oh, it's a bird. Big bird. Holy shit, yo. I thought somebody was out here. That creepy music. Holy shit. This is crazy. Yeah, so we're going back towards, and hopefully we can cross. Hopefully we're not stranded and not able to cross. We thought we were going up here. This entire time we're going back and we didn't know it. That's how you can easily get lost out here. Thinking of anybody that's chilling out here, especially if you don't have the GPS or you don't know how to. I can see somebody with anxiety too, completely freaking out. It feels a little claustrophobic over here. Holy shit. Water's right there. That's insane. That's never happened before. Where I think I know and I feel positive about where we're going. We're actually not going that way. Doesn't even feel like that. Maybe because we never crossed that island. We're supposed to cross the water or something. That's probably why. We've just been going along the water. Dude, that's crazy. Alright. I'll feel a lot better once we get to the normal trail. Get you. Oh, fuck. This should be coming up here. Spiders. Holy fuck. I think we're getting there. Found something? Bottle out here. see something. I don't know what. Oh, back towards water. Oh, we're back on the path of where we originally came. That's crazy, man. That's insane. I really thought we were going up. My body's pretty worn. Holy crap. Once we get out of here, need a little break, reassess. That's the other side we didn't, is that the other side? That's the other side, which doesn't look like much of a path, but, oh, sorry. Back out to the, and this is what I was saying. There's the trails, but there's sure a hell of a lot of land. And it is very easy to get lost. At least it's a little shady now. Alright, take a little break. So we just decided to check out this other path. Oops, shower water, thanks. And it looks like it kind of ends. Yeah, it looks like it ends. I thought it was going to go down, but it doesn't. It's just we're surrounded by water. It wouldn't be a good idea to, it would be a good idea to maybe kayak or something. Or take a screw kayaking, an electric boat or whatever, something down here to go down all these water paths. Just to look in the sides, but at that end. Are these like things, pipes, or like the connecting, right? Yeah. Well, man-made. Alright, well, only one way to go, I guess, then back, I guess. So, we made it back to this side. I'll show you guys on the map. Probably do a live stream. But I haven't been down this far yet, like this left or this right. This right where I was really curious to kind of just look because it's closer to where the phone pinged. Even though the phone pinged on Ocean Drive, you know, it's a wide area like we talked about. So, this path at least is not that long. This path also has those rocks across, what look like rocks across the water, the canal or whatever. So I really wanted to take a look at that. Pants are falling. And just kind of go down. Yeah, at least just have a clear conscience. Look all the way down here. I felt the drop of rain. Sun's out, but it looks like it kind of wants to rain too. Wildlife. I haven't encountered any animals out here though, besides just regular birds, insects. Maybe they're out off trail. Yeah, man. I was kind of thinking about those pipes too. How strong the current is into those pipes. Whew. If you plan on coming out here, bring several bottles of water, some sunscreen, a hat, and maybe a person with you. Okay, Coming up to open pen. Another weird, almost like the other side, a sneaker or something, and it's droplets of water coming. So those rocks I wouldn't even be able to see from here, I guess. I have to see where we're at on GPS, but it looks like a dead end. Yeah, no real path to walk out. It's just completely thick. Weird place for a sneaker. Yeah, it's just so thick over here. There's no way to really cross over. You have to force your way. It just wouldn't. No. Alright. So, there. So we're back out. There's no real way to go there. The rock path that I've spoken about a couple times that I was just curious to see. When I look back in the GPS, it's up here. So, but we walked this entire place and some because we went off trail. And didn't see anything. The most interesting thing I'd say today was that homeless encampment, and that maybe that side should be looked at more. Besides all the other areas, or whatever other clues they have that we aren't privy to. Let's see, it should be here. Oh, there it is. And there's a path there too. Well, this is the rock thing I was talking about. I'll take you guys down to the water. Let's take a look. I don't have to cross, but oh, it's just steep here. I could just see curious person. Well, see these rocks. Be careful. Oh, let me get a higher view here. Yeah, these rocks definitely connect to the other side. I mean, sort of step down to be safe. Be really careful, that's slippery there. Yeah. I just want to get an up close look. Couldn't see myself crossing this. It'll be really hard, but it's shallow enough you could even just walk. It's shallow enough you could just walk. But what would you be walking to? It's mangroves. There's nowhere to step on there over there. Really nothing. That's it. This is actually the final path. I forgot there's a whole gazebo thing. This is towards the side where the police are parked. This is I would say a common area that people probably come to a lot because it's so close to the entrance. But come up here and take a little break. Wish they had a little something here, but a chair or something. Oh. Whew. Oh. Jesus. That's the Sheridan Bridge. Leads to A1A Ocean Drive. Phone ping down there. It's a hell of a walk. We're back under the bridge. I was here the other day. It's kind of talking to, like, if you cross this bridge by foot, the Ocean Drive area is very, very busy, but like straight in here is kind of darker, quieter. And all those areas with the trees. The times that I've gone out in October, But further down there was a bunch of homeless encampments. People there. Well, I ran into one guy. Tents, cell phones, equipment towards the beach. That's the bridge. So I don't know, but we walked the entire trail. Walked the entire path. Yep.